This is an ultra-low mileage example of CCM Spitfire Launch Edition. Number 137 of the original 150 produced. The bike is completely standard as the factory intended and comes complete with a numbered wall plaque commemorating the first Spitfires produced by CCM. The CCM Spitfire Launch Edition is a thrilling blend of British craftsmanship and performance. With its eye-catching design, this motorcycle pays homage to classic cafe racers, while boasting modern engineering, and you won't know whether to ride it or stare at it. It's a ride that combines style, speed, and the spirit of adventure. A true masterpiece for motorcycle enthusiasts. Living in the owner's house, this is by far one of the cleanest, lowest mileage examples of the launch CCMs we have had, and features the beautifully crafted and completely unblemished lacquered frame showing all the stunning welds. This is a real treat for the astute buyer looking to add another trophy to their ever-growing collection, or someone who simply wants to enjoy his money whilst watching his investment grow. The bike has received its first service and will undergo our pre-delivery inspection prior to sale. Service owner's manual, 2 key fobs, and 2 steering lock keys are present. Both tyres have plenty of tread remaining and are worn evenly. All our bikes are delivered with a minimum of 6 months MOT. As always, for the best viewing experience, please visit our showroom to view and appreciate the condition of the bike, and our own website, uniquewheels.com, to enjoy over 40 high-quality images and a video that forms a huge part of the description. 7 working day nationwide delivery is available on this bike for £168. Open Monday to Friday and Saturday mornings by pre-arranged appointment. Part exchanges are always welcome, so please talk to us today about getting the best price possible. HP and PCP finance available. A user-friendly finance calculator can be found on our website, which features remote apply and off-site signing. For more details of this and all our bikes available, please visit our website uniquewheels.com. Meanwhile, thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe to view our past and upcoming videos.